Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Botanic Garden. I'm going to be doing a trip review from Botanic Garden all the way to Trafalgar Junction above ground. We are going to be travelling in a R142, R52A train. This train will stop all stations from Botanic Garden to Trafalgar Junction. Mind the gap. Equals closing announcement.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
And we depart Botanic Garden, stopping all stations to Trafalgar Junction. The next station is Southall. This track will lead us to Southall. So far, the train trip is going pretty well. I'm not going too fast, at least. This train just came from Depot Hills, and it's in the vehicle service right now. Now arriving at Southall Station. Now approaching Southall Station. We'll be arriving at Southall Station. Now this is Southall.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
The next station is going to be Trafalgar Junction, where this train will terminate and then run to Depot Hills to run an all-station service from Depot Hills above ground to Depot Hills below ground. No, Trafalgar Junction underground. I'll do a train trip on that later. We're now approaching Trafalgar Junction, and this train will terminate and then run to Depot Hills to go from Depot Hills above ground to Trafalgar Junction underground. And here we are, getting off the train.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.
And here goes the trains. Here goes the train departing platform 1. Overall, I say that was a 10 out of 10 train trip. It wasn't too loud, the train was empty, so there was less people. But overall, I do give it a good review. And it'll be the end of the train trip. And we end our service here at Trafalgar Junction.